Miku, welcome to Celtic. What does it feel like to be a Celtic player?
It's I am so happy to come to Celtic. It's a big team in Europe. I remember when I was young in Venezuela, see games UEFA Champions League and see Larsson. 10 years ago, play here one friend Fernando Dornelas, and this is a big team, and I want to play in the big teams, and I'm so happy to come here.
Is this something that's been planned for a number of weeks, or was it very last minute before the transfer window closed?
Yeah, it's difficult because I come the last minute, but it's not a problem. I am good. I am prepared to play. I want to play, and today I looking for the city, the stadium, and I can see the supports, the fans, and I am so happy because I have very important to the fans and supports, and I think it's the best team I come, and I want to play.
Your English is very good, Miku, but will it help you the fact that we have another Spanish language speaker in Emilio Izaguirre here?
Yeah, I want to learn very well in English because I think it's important for can speak with the coach and other players. And I think in 2 months I speak in English very well.
What do you think your experience of playing in La Liga, and people have made a great deal of the fact that you have scored against Real Madrid, for example, what do you think that will bring to this club?
Yeah, the league in Spain is different. You play in another football. You have to play with the best players of the world. And last year I do it a great year, do it very goals. But this year it's different. Celtic play UEFA Champions League, fight to the Scotland Championship, and I want that. I want a team with every game you need to win. If you don't want, it's wrong. You need to win every game because the big teams do it that, win all games. And I think to come here for my career is the best moment because I am young. I play in my national team. I go to the World Cup in Brazil, and I think to come to Celtic, it's better for me.
And finally, Miku, what are your own expectations for this coming season, other than going back to Spain and scoring 3 goals in the Nou Camp?
If I can, I do that. But I think this season we want to win every championship, the cup, the League Cup, the league, and UEFA Champions League. I think we have. It's difficult because Barcelona, Benfica, and Sparta is a good team, but I think we have a good team to go into the next round, and after the next round, we don't know what will happen. But I think we have a good team, and I have here players with Samaras is a good player, Harper. We have here. It's difficult to play, but I think I can play and I can do it more goals. And I need to play in this stadium to do it with the first goal and the feel to the supporters and the fans.